What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good?
Federal regulations require passengers' compliance with crew members' instructions, including instructions on wearing face masks. The FAA prohibits behavior that interferes with a crew member's ability to perform his or her duties on the aircraft and may impose civil penalties for such violations. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that, but please just follow through. You acknowledge, you accept it, you take wear your mask. So please just follow policy.
All right, y'all, look, we checking in. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all, when I say, if y'all remember we went to Dallas about 2 weeks ago, it's the same thing all over again.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, to push back from the gate, we need everyone to have on their masks, completely covering their chin and nose. It's
I'm gonna holler
over
at y'all
anyone
when we
over
get
the
off the
age
plane.
of 2.
Y'all see.
Anyone 2 and over.
Cedro, you've done it again.
Alright, y'all, we checking in. Man, I gotta tell y'all, boy, this jump here wild. Coming, but we made it. We're in Memphis. We're at the airport. Definitely gotta use the bathroom. I'm tired.
I'm really bad.
So yeah, man, we're gonna get ourselves together, situated, rental, all that, you know. And we're gonna see what we're gonna get into, cause we really a day early. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I give y'all the rundown, all that. So yeah. All right, y'all, look. We taking in? Yes, they do. I told wife, y'all, look, I love the movie, but this jump right here look like Hall at 1408, boy. I tell you.
No, I like the decorations back then.
This look like, if y'all seen 1408, this look like 1408. What I did, like we just going, we finna be stuck in the room, y'all. So yeah, this where we at though. We at Graceland. I'm gonna tell y'all something funny. I done booked this junk. I ain't even know nothing about it, what it is. I just got it called, it was a convenient location. But we on a business trip, but definitely gonna have to come back right here on some non-business tips. So. Yeah, they kid, but they had a field day in here. I might turn y'all back on when we get downstairs, show y'all a car. Like I said, it's just like y'all be with us, so y'all ain't coming. Y'all can't see it. I can show y'all through me. 481. All right, y'all. We checking in. We sitting outside right now, waiting on our DoorDash. Cause we get these rental cars, we don't be trying to move like that. We don't try to have no hiccups or none of that. But it's funny, y'all. Like I ain't even know. I just be booking stuff sometime, man. I mean, it was a little higher, but I ain't even realize it was all this. Like, it's crazy. Like, it one of them things where you probably can just come in here and you can just, this be it. So we waiting on wifey food, and then when we come get all our food, we probably eat outside in the back or something. It's real nice out here today. We just sitting out in the front right now, just peeping the scene pretty much. Checking out the shuttle. We might shuttle to the store later, get some drinks, something. I don't know. Then we're going to the track tomorrow, y'all. It's back to work. It's back to it. So and y'all definitely want to check that footage out on my main channel, cause tomorrow gonna be lit, man. It's Donkmaster first NDRA event. Man, I gotta salute him. Like I said, I'm real proud of my boy and everything. Getting this National Donk Racing League association, it's a league or whatever. So it's gonna be real lit tomorrow, y'all. I'm talking about everybody about to be there. I said I can't miss it. We actually we were supposed to be in Tennessee right now, but I told wife, I was like, man, we can't miss this. So we pushed our Tennessee vacation a week back, and then we just booked the flight right quick and came out to Memphis. So we really here on a work trip, so that's why we ain't moving around like that either too much, you know, keep overhead down. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned for the ride. It's gonna be a 2-day vlog. I'm gonna put it together when I get to the track tomorrow. I'm gonna get y'all film some of the cars and all that, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so look, we just roaming around, man. This is where we at. This thing here crazy. Y'all see the thing got theater in here. It wild, man. Go to show, boy. I tell you, I just be booking stuff, man. Sometimes I ain't know. I just like to stay in nice places though, even when I'm on a work trip. So this one area, and I'm gonna check back in, show y'all the other areas. All right, y'all check this out. This a replica staircase of Elvis Presley house. It's a big boy chandelier. Man, it's different. I ain't never seen this, curtains and stuff. All this stuff's supposed to be a replica. And I gotta hurry and cut y'all off because I can't get no copyright. We gone. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Day 2. I told y'all we're gonna put 2 vlogs together. So we out here at the track today. Y'all see what we got going on. We got some raindrop going on right now. So I hope it don't the rain don't come down and just hold off, cause we got a little cloud right now, a little patch. And man, I'm trying to see some action. I came too far to not see some action, man. So look, I'm about to go over here and check out the ZOC, check out Donkmaster on. He just pulled out the trailer, get the tent set up and all that. And we're gonna get a few cars on here for y'all. Here and there, y'all know I'm not about to walk around the whole facility though, and all that, cause I'm here to film. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. ZOC, Cutlass right there. We got John Boy right there. Red the Riches. It's going down, man. What up? Hold up. Hey, we both working out here, man.
You see it, Big Wheel Network.
Big Wheel Network. Y'all make sure to go follow and all that.
Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all follow Jay Malcolm,
yes, sir,
man.
yes,
The #1 YouTuber in the grudge racing
Appreciate
world.
you, brother. Hey, man. Y'all stay tuned, man, for that Big Wheel Network. They catching all the action live stream. We got Ricky over there working, or G up there, man. It's about to go down. It's about to go down, y'all. So yes, indeed, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna bring the footage. Y'all go check the main channel, all that. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Ran into a viewer, man, supporter. Hey, they got a YouTube channel. You and your son, right?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Let the world know.
It's SS Chevy.
SS Chevy.
You spell Chevy with a S, then it's regular normal how you spell
Chevy. Okay, so 2 S's, then HEVY.
Yes, sir.
Okay, double S HEVY, man. Go run the subscribers up. Now they go support them. Way from Milwaukee, right? Milwaukee. Y'all stay tuned, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Got to have a.
I see it.
You gotta have a psychiatrist.
The whole red fleet,
Good
y'all.
one.
You know, that's boss. That's a boss move. Chevelle,
Oh, no,
Mustang.
they got more. It's 6.
Yeah, it's it. Monte Carlo look like Malibu, and yeah, that's a boss. That's how we coming now. I promise you. I got 4. My wife car, we got 5. Y'all just wait now. We need 1 more. And man, I got to buy 1 more. I got to buy 1 more. Yeah, I got to buy 1 more. We got with 5. Need to see. She told me some, I got to go get 1 more, y'all. We got to fill a 6 car hauler. Yeah, that was a ball move. We just talking. I just saw that. That's a ball move. I don't know who that is, but that's a boss, color match. So, this what's going on though. It been raining for hours. And then this man keeps saying the rain gone. Every time he say it, boom. I'm like, dog, just stop saying it. Stop saying it, man. So I don't really know, man. At this point, I really think it's just the L. I mean, it happens, man. 4 years, I only have took 1 L in 4 years, man, coming to events. But man, this finna be the biggest one right here. No, I take that back. I took 2 L's. But you know, So this what's going on, man. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. All right, y'all, we taking in, man. Y'all see I'm back at the house after a eventful weekend, I should say, man. Said lifestyle vlog stuff, like I said, man. Just sometimes in life of J Math, I'm trying to get y'all inspiration and stuff, other ways, try to bring y'all on the road with me and all of that, cause I haven't been here to even record straight car content, man. I've been on the move for like a week straight, on and off planes, like no lie. So I haven't been home enough to just straight record car content, and you know. So, you know, like I said, man, I had fun in Memphis and all that. I hate it rained. It rained the whole time, y'all. The whole time. I didn't catch not one pass. Did nobody make a shakedown. It rained the whole day. And that's just what happened, man. So sometimes the cookie crumble like that, man. Sometimes, you know, you have to take an L and just take it on the chin and keep it going and all of that. But we put them 2 days together. Like I said, I got the vlog coming. Probably a little clips when we was in Miami and all of that too. So I got that coming and all of that. But now, when I get finished handling all this business, said Meech right there, we gonna start the build series with Meech. I gotta go pick up paint, repaint on the hood and stuff. We gotta get them old motor mounts out and bolt the steel mounts in place and all of that. We gotta do all of that, man. Take the old cross member out and put the new G-force cross member in there. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it in, cause when I put the engine in, I'm gonna put the engine and transmission. So cross member, all that stuff will already be set up. We gotta change the yoke on the rear end and the seal. We gotta go ahead and set all this stuff up. I got to go order the drive shaft, so the drive shaft will be in. That's all I need to actually gonna be able to move the car. I'm gonna need the drive shaft. I'm gonna go ahead and pay Jesse for the exhaust, all the street car, which he gonna go over there anyway, cause he gotta do the fuel system and all that stuff. So yeah, as soon as I get finished, about another week, we gonna start the build series for Big Meech. So y'all gonna want to be tuned in, cause we're gonna be back in the drive. We're gonna be back going in. I'm gonna at least put the engine in and headers, and then we're gonna send it over to Lawless and let it get wrapped up and all that. So y'all get to see some wrench turning and all that, and see a big block go in a box heavy. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm out.